Hello, my wonderful friends. How are you today? And it is March. Welcome, March. And what is March all about? March is about springtime. Flowers coming up, the trees are blooming. And what do we do in springtime? Or what are we supposed to do in springtime? Spring clean. Do you want to spring clean? Some are like, no, I'm not ready to do that. I got too much else to do. Well, today I am Deb, and you are in the office with Deb. And we're going to talk about, yes, we do need to spring clean, and we need to do it in a little bit of time. For those of us that are running businesses, we've got the kids underfoot, we've got errands to run. You know, you got pets coming in and out of the house. You got laundry to do. You got this to do. We're going to talk about getting it done a little bit easier today. Now, for those of you that don't know, I am the household expert guru. I love it. My whole goal is to get it all done easier, faster, so that you can get out of the kitchen and spend more time with your family, or get out of the house. That's the whole goal. We've got a lot going on. We don't need to spend all our lives cleaning away. So let's make it more efficient and get it done in less time. Now, even those of you that are working businesswoman, parent, all that, homework, yes. You could still get it done easier and faster. Pick something you want to do for that day. Whatever it is. Pick it. Whether it's wash the floor or wash the doorknobs in the house and they need to be disinfected. The whole key is, okay, tell yourself, okay, I've got 15 minutes. What can I do in 15 minutes? My son's writing his report. He's calm. The little one's in front of the TV. I got 15 minutes if I'm lucky. What can I get done? And then come back to my work and get my paperwork done. Okay, so go ahead. Get your disinfectant, get your spray. Challenge yourself. Get that rag. Get that spray. Challenge yourself. I'm going to do this. I'm going to get this done because I know it needs to be done. I've been looking at it for months over the winter. You know who I'm talking about. You know what I mean about that. How we put off our chores, because I do it too. And grab that rag. Grab that disinfectant. I don't care if you put your little earphones on with your little phone and stick your phone in your pocket. Or if your daughter in the other room's got the music blaring and you're like, you're singing to the music. Take that rag, go with the music, go with the flow. Put on the timer, set your timer to 15 minutes. Start and run one room. Tell yourself, you're going to do the doorknob, start in one area of the house, maybe that's the back door, start with the back door, spray it, inside, outside, go to the next room, patio door, whatever it is, in and out. Screen door, in and out. Go to the bedroom doors, do them, in and out. The other bedroom, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I bet you get it done in 15 minutes. I know you will. Because you challenged yourself. And you got it done. And that is what we are doing in my group. We are challenging ourselves. We're doing it all together as a group. We've got weekly chores coming out every Monday. What we've got to do. In fact, I didn't even start on them yesterday, Monday at all. And today I told myself I'm going to start on them before I go live. And I did. And I didn't. Did I want to do it? No, I didn't want to do it. I had to challenge myself. And then my incentive afterwards was my cup of coffee. As you can see, it's almost finished. And that is how you quickly get something done. Challenge yourself, give yourself a limited amount of time, and get that chore done, no matter what it is. go ahead, check out my group, invite your friends or your cousin, whoever it may be, and join the challenge with us because we're doing our chores and we're getting them done. And we're challenging ourselves to get them done by Friday so that we can have the weekend to ourselves to do what we want to do with the family, whether it's a movie, a pizza night, whatever it is. And we're going to get it done because I didn't finish all my chores yet, but I am definitely on a roll because I challenged myself. I told myself I was going to do it and get it done in that minimum amount of time. And I'm almost done. I got a little bit left that I can't get to right now because people are in the way. You know how that goes. But I will get that done. And already I feel so much better to have that chore done. It's done. Well, done. It's 90% done. And in less time than I thought I could do it because the music helps and you motivating yourself and challenging yourself helps too. And I hope to see you in my spring cleaning, refreshing and brightening challenge. Challenge yourself to the challenge. Even if you can't do all 4 weeks all month, come in. Just do 1 week. Try to do 1 week. Do what you can. Like I said, within a small little bit of time, you can get it done because I did. Hashtag let me know if you're watching on the replay, and I hope to see you in the group. And I hope you have a wonderful, refreshing, cleaning day and just get it done. Bye, my friends. Thank you so much.